Hey, this is Pete from Abstract Ocean. Today we're going to install our door sill protectors for Model Y. We make these for Model 3 as well. But today Model Y, we have a front set and a rear set. There's two options. So option one is a performance version. You can just see it's the Model Y. These are metal letters. This is a genuine sheet of carbon fiber underneath everything, and then we just put the lettering over the top, and then we enclose it in this kind of UV stable polyurethane bubble, so it's nice and resistant to scratching and dings and dents and stuff like that. So that's the performance version. And then we also have the regular Model Y version, which is what we're going to be installing here. Same thing, again, real sheet of carbon fiber, metal letters, and then the polyurethane over the top. Since we don't have a performance Model Y, this is the one we're going to go with. So installation is pretty easy. It's peel and stick basically. So we're going to clean the target area with the included alcohol wipe, just to make sure it sticks. Now these things do stick, unlike the vinyl. Once these are stuck, they're stuck. So you really kind of want to go just a little bit slowly and a little bit carefully. I'm going to show you the right technique to use when you're doing that. As has been pointed out, I'm left-handed, so chances are real good you're probably going to end up doing everything backwards to how I'm doing it. But I'm going to peel off an end. And we want to peel it off about a third of the way, just so that we've got something to work with. And then as you lay it down, kind of get over the top of it, and just use your fingers to feel where it's positioned relative to the sill underneath. And just let that sit down on there. And then as we work our way down, we're just going to kind of use our fingers to guide it along. It has some flex, so you can kind of steer it a little bit as you go. Get the rest of this out of the way now. If you do need to lift it, it's no big deal, just like that. Just don't do it too much. And when you're happy with the position, either just kind of push it down or just grab a towel just to apply some firm, even pressure all the way along. And there you have it, that's the Model Y door sill. Let me just grab a camera and kind of do a quick sweep across it, so you can see there's a real texture in the carbon fiber. So it looks really nice, but also, you know, still keeping it classy and pretty subtle. So now we're going to do the same thing in the back of the car. Now we're in the back of the Model Y, so we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to clean the target area. Now there's no kind of visual reference as to where the center is. If I just grab the thing, so that's roughly where it's going to sit. It doesn't interfere with door closing or anything else, obviously. So if you really want to find sort of the midpoint and make sure you're consistent on both sides, you can grab one of those old school tape measures. Sorry, I'm working above the camera here, so this might be a bit fingers and thumbs, but kind of if you go from halfway along each of the radiuses, if you like, of the car, it's about 60 centimeters or 24 inches. So your halfway mark is going to be right at 30 centimeters or 12 inches. So we're going to take this as our halfway mark. Just going to mark it with a dry erase marker. And you can do the same on both sides, just so you can make sure that they're in the same place. Honestly, I don't think it's necessary, but I know some people are pretty thorough about being accurate with where their measurements are, so that's what I would do. So now we're going to do the same thing. This one's obviously a lot easier because it's smaller and there's nothing to line up against, so you just kind of want to, again, get over the top of it this time. And we're just going to sort of eyeball where we want it to lie and just make sure that it's straight along this edge here. When you're happy with the positioning, again, just apply some pressure, grab a towel if you need to. But that's all there is to it. So the rear ones are really, really easy to do. They just provide a little extra protection and, you know, a nice touch to the rear of the car. And there you have it. Those are our real carbon fibre door sill protectors for Model Y, also available for Model 3, of course. Thanks for watching.